for elevated home and outdoor living inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Are you looking out at your backyard right now and feeling underwhelmed? You know, that endless expanse of grass that looks great for about 3 days a year? Well, today we are diving deep into the secret weapon of stunning backyards: backyard patio hardscape. We're talking permanent, functional, and gorgeous design elements that transform your yard from meh to magazine-worthy. So what exactly is backyard patio hardscape? Simply put, it's the non-living elements of your landscape design. Think of it as the bones and structure of your outdoor space. While softscape includes things like plants, flowers, and trees, hardscape covers everything else. Your patio pavers, the retaining walls, built-in seating, gravel walkways, wooden decks, outdoor fireplaces, and even water features. It's all about creating functional, defined areas for living, dining, and relaxing right in your backyard. The benefits of incorporating hardscape are truly massive and go way beyond just looking good. First, it significantly increases your usable outdoor living space. Instead of just a lawn you can only walk on, hardscape gives you a dedicated area for entertaining, cooking, or relaxing, an actual outdoor room. Second, hardscaping is incredibly low maintenance. No more mowing, watering, or constant weeding of an unused grass area. Third, it's a huge boost to your home's value and curb appeal. A well-designed hardscape plan shows potential buyers a fully realized, functional extension of the home, which can offer a massive return on investment. It truly is the foundation for a beautiful and functional backyard. So, once the bones of your hardscape are in place, how do you decorate it to look good? It all comes down to layering and texture. You start by choosing your color palette. Do you want the bright contrast of light pavers against dark furniture, or a warm, earthy tone? Next, introduce comfort and personality with textiles. Think outdoor-rated cushions, throw pillows, and cozy blankets that tie your color scheme together. Lighting is your next step, and it's critical for setting the mood. String lights overhead, wall sconces, or pathway lights can transform a space after sunset. Finally, soften all that stone and concrete with softscape elements, like large potted tropical plants, overflowing flower beds along the edges, or a climbing vine on your pergola. These touches of green and color are what bridge the gap between the hard materials and the natural environment. The best hardscape items form the foundational, permanent structure of your outdoor living space, significantly enhancing both form and function. Patios and walkways stand out as essential elements, providing the dedicated, level surfaces needed for dining and seating, with options ranging from large-format natural stone and classic brick to versatile concrete pavers, which offer countless patterns and colors to suit any style. To fully extend the usability of your patio, outdoor fire pits and fireplaces are a must-have, creating a permanent, inviting focal point that allows for year-round enjoyment and cozy gatherings. For yards with any degree of slope, retaining walls and built-in seating become critical, serving the dual purpose of managing soil erosion and establishing tiered, level areas while simultaneously providing durable, integrated benches around a patio or garden. Finally, structures like pergolas and arbors offer crucial vertical interest, defining an outdoor room, providing essential shade, and acting as a beautiful framework for lighting or climbing softscape elements, completing the transformation of a simple yard into a sophisticated and fully realized outdoor extension of your home. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best backyard patio hardscape ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The modern tranquil oasis. This design achieves a highly contemporary look by emphasizing clean lines and minimal color. The layout features a central strip of green turf bordered by large, square concrete stepping stones, which are in turn edged by dark, smooth river stones. This layering of textures, turf, concrete, and rock, is a hallmark of modern hardscape. A custom-built waterfall and planter box provides a serene focal point, and the built-in bar offers sleek, functional, entertaining space. 2. The industrial pergola patio. Ideal for small or urban yards, this hardscape design masterfully uses texture and structure to create intimacy. The large dining area sits beneath a modern, open-slat black metal pergola, which defines the space and provides structure for future climbing plants. The ground is a mix of small gravel for the main area and large rectangular concrete stepping stones that create a pathway to the seating zone. The dark metal and concrete elements provide a beautiful contrast to the surrounding greenery and warm-toned wood fence. 3. The checkerboard chic. A bold and highly creative hardscape idea. This design uses large square concrete pavers separated by strips of lush green grass. This checkerboard, or grid, pattern is visually stunning, offering a unique blend of hardscape and softscape. This pattern dramatically expands the visual size of the area, connecting the pool deck to the main lounge and dining zones. Overhead string lights and 2 large patio umbrellas add a Mediterranean-inspired, resort-like ambience. 4. The classic stone fireplace hub. Perfect for a home surrounded by abundant greenery, this hardscape provides a structured and warm contrast to the natural environment. The patio floor uses large, multi-tonal flagstone pavers, giving it an organic, traditional feel. The centerpiece is a towering, fully functioning outdoor fireplace built from stacked natural stone, flanked by lower stone walls that define the seating area. A separate dining space, shaded by an umbrella, shows how hardscape can successfully zone different activities. 5. The traditional brick-inspired entertainer. This expansive patio design seamlessly extends the warm red brick facade of the home into the landscape. The lighter, sandy-colored interlocking pavers are laid in a classic pattern, giving a traditional but refined feel. The space is expertly zoned with raised stone garden beds and a built-in outdoor kitchen/grill station. Different levels of hardscape define the dining area and the casual seating area, all unified by the warm, earthy tones of the stone and brick. 6. The ultimate integrated backyard. Our top pick exemplifies the seamless integration of hardscape and the home. The design flows directly from the covered patio with large, square paver stones that delineate separate living zones. A massive, central seating area is defined by a custom-built stone seating wall with a built-in fire pit, creating a cozy and permanent gathering space. A second area accommodates outdoor dining. The unified use of large gray pavers and natural stone retaining walls creates a consistent, high-end, and incredibly functional outdoor extension of the home. 7. The tiered and textured retreat. This inspiring design utilizes a brilliant strategy for sloped yards. Multi-level tiered hardscaping. Built with large, modern gray concrete blocks, the retaining walls create distinct, usable outdoor rooms. The lower level features a spacious paver patio surrounding a conversational seating area and fire pit, while the upper tier includes a built-in spa/hot tub. The cohesive use of gray pavers and wall blocks provides a sleek, organized, and sophisticated look, proving that challenging terrain can be transformed into a functional paradise. 8. The cozy modern contrast. This simple yet chic design embodies modern minimalist hardscape. The seating area is defined by a bright white built-in L-shaped bench, offering maximum seating with a clean, low-profile aesthetic. The ground material is simple, light-colored pea gravel, which provides excellent drainage and a natural texture that contrasts beautifully with the smooth white bench. Flanked by lush, oversized tropical plants and a mature tree, this design prioritizes simple structure and rich, natural texture. 9. The grand outdoor living room. Showcasing a high-end traditional aesthetic, this design uses large-format, cool-toned natural stone pavers to create a vast, integrated patio. The entire space is masterfully segmented by rough-cut stone seating walls that define a dining area and a plush, fireside lounge area. The centerpiece is a grand, custom-built stone outdoor fireplace, offering both warmth and a strong visual anchor that mirrors the surrounding lush, established greenery. 10. The forest edge oasis. Nestled among mature trees, this hardscape connects a home's upper balcony and a pool area with natural warm materials. A stone veneer column serves as a striking vertical accent, separating the cozy, wood-paneled lower level from the open patio. The use of warm-toned paver blocks for the patio perfectly complements the rich, dark wood stairs and paneling, creating a rustic yet elegant resort feel. The soft uplighting highlights the textures of the stone and wood, making it perfect for evening entertaining. So there you have it, 10 stunning examples of how hardscape can truly revolutionize your backyard. Whether you're opting for the sleek, minimalist gravel patio, the grand, integrated design with the built-in fire pit, or the checkerboard fun, The right hardscape design will not only look incredible but will also provide a functional, low-maintenance, and valuable extension of your living space for years to come. Stop seeing your backyard as just a lawn and start seeing it as your next great room. Which one of these hardscape designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're planning your own backyard project, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more home decor and design inspiration, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video where we'll talk all about the best softscape plants to pair with your new hardscape. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.